Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel. I'll be bringing you a whole bunch of different recipes all the time, and I guarantee you they're going to taste good. If it's not, you can hit me up in the comment and let me know. Give me a thumbs down if you want to, or a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, for this ingredients, we're going to be needing 4 eggs, some Parmesan cheese. This is some fine shredded Parmesan cheese, and some mild cheddar cheese. And today I'm going to be making you guys the best scrambled eggs and cheese. Okay, so tune in. So first we want to do, get our eggs and crack it on the side like this. Just like so. Now, hold on. There's some unwanted stuff in here that I don't like, and it's like this little white stuff that's hanging on there. I don't want to tell you guys what it is because I don't want to turn you off from eggs. So we want to get those up out of there. Okay. So I'll show you in my hand. That's what it is. I don't want that in mine. So I'm taking that out of there. For you guys already know, I'm quite sure you do the same. You just take a fork. See, a lot of people don't tell you this. I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to keep it real with you 100%. Okay, looks like it's all gone. We've got a little piece right here. Let's see if I can get that out of there. Okay, there we go. Take that out of there. You can use a fork. For some people don't have a whisk, I use the fork today. For you guys, I have a whisk right here. Just stir that up. Take you about, let me see, 1, 2, like 2 tablespoons of milk. You want to beat this for at least about, I don't know, about 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to beat this, and I'm going to take you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my skillet on like 2, next to simmer. And you're going to need one of these. Or you can use the other stuff. Now I just beat these eggs up. This is how my eggs look. Okay, you want to beat them up till you get bubbly like that. So the longer you beat them, the better they turn out. I'm not going to lie to you. You don't want to beat them till they super creamy, but you want to beat them to get a lot of air in there. Okay. So we're going to take our olive oil, about a tablespoon of that. And we're going to take, now you can take you a teaspoon of butter. I have ghee butter. That's what I like. You can use any type of butter you want to. So I'm going to put me some of that in there. So about a teaspoon of that. This is ghee butter. I don't know if you can see that. Alright. Alright, now what I do, you don't have to do it, but I like a little nutty taste to mine, so I'm going to add a drop of sesame oil. Just like that. That's what that is. Blackened sesame oil. Okay? We're going to just rotate this around a little bit. You don't want this skillet too hot. You don't want to cook your egg fast. So I'll stir mine like this. And beat it as I put it in there. Just like so. Okay? So while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my cheese and stuff. You don't want to put your seasoning and all this stuff in there because the salt and all that stuff is going to mess it up. So you don't want to do that yet. So you see it start doing all this around the edges. Just scoot it, just like this. So that's all you're going to pretty much be doing. I'll let you know when it's time to season it. That's all you're doing. I'm gonna spray that out some more. Okay, that's all you want to do. See that? I had to change the battery for the camera, so don't mind me. Alright, time to season them back over. I'm going to take a little onion powder, just a sprinkle, just like that. Little pepper flakes, just a sprinkle, just like that. Little salt, just a sprinkle. Little black pepper, just like that. I'm going to mix that up. Just like so. And it's 4 eggs. So you imagine how many you normally use. He didn't put the cheese in. The cheese comes afterwards. You don't put the cheese in now. Okay? Now that's done. Alright? That's how you want them to look. You want them to look creamy. So I'm going to turn this off. Put them in a bowl. And I'll let you guys see how that looks in a minute. Okay, we got the bowl. What I'm going to do is take you some of this cheese. Sprinkle that on there. Take a little yellow cheese. Sprinkle a little of that on there. And if you got some parsley, just drop a little parsley on there. That's all. This is fresh, of course. Parsley. That's it. You ain't got to get too carried away with it. That's it. So if you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up. Please share it. And please subscribe to the channel. And tell your friends and family to tune in to Veldog's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, see you next time.